Hey guys, welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, we're doing a quick installation and review on the wireless backup camera. This is the WBU-800. As you can see, here it is. This is by Walmart. So I bought this at least at Walmart. It's probably the company's called the Whistler. So as you can see, the company, like I said, is called a Whistler down there. Pretty cool. Here's some quick things that you can see on the back of it. So, and it is a really nice. So I've been looking for a wireless camera, a backup camera, because I have a 350Z, and let's just say it's really hard to back up out of this because it has low visibility. So this will work with all cars, guys. Like I said, I got it for my Nissan 350Z. It's an 07. I have a 2019 and 2017 other Nissan cars, a truck and SUV, and they both came, of course, equipped with a backup camera. This is 07 and it didn't have it. So, of course, you can get the ones that you can wire to your reverse light and all that stuff. But I don't want to do any kind of cutting wires or splitting wires or anything like that. And this is what it says. It says, quick and easy installation, solar panel rechargeable, weather resistant. And then what's cool about this is it'll say, where did I see? Says no, oh here we go, no drilling or splicing needed, guys. So right there, that's the selling point that I got out of it. So I bought this camera today at Walmart. I say it's $100, so $99.99. So it's not bad at all. So let's go ahead and test this out and see how it works and see if it's worth your money. And I'm excited to see how it works. Now, in the instructions, it does say you have to charge your camera for about 5 to 6 hours. I've only been charging it for maybe 30 minutes just to do this video, so hopefully it has enough charge. And of course, once it has that 5 to 6 hour charge, it will continue to recharge with a solar panel. That's why you don't have to connect it with anything. Another quick thing, I did buy the 2-year warranty through Walmart. It's only $10, guys. So if anything messes up with your camera, at least you know you didn't just throw away $100. So let's go ahead and get to the install. I would put this here on the back of the car, but it's slanted and I just waxed the car, so very slippery. So let me show you what you get inside though. So first of all, you will get the camera itself. So this is the camera right here. Very nice. And then of course it does have the mounting brackets in the back, but as you can see, there's the solar panels right there. Let's see if it focuses. So there you go. Maybe it'll focus that way. So as you can see, these are the solar panels right there. There's the camera, and it has 4 infrared lighting, I believe it is. But let's go into it. So that's the main camera, and then to charge it, there's this little side right here that you'll just pop open, and this is where, like I said, you will charge it in here. Comes with a cable. Now, another cool thing that it does come with is a monitor, so you don't have to wire this to your radio or anything like that. Like I said, I have an old radio on here, so I wanted a monitor, and that's what I got. So very cool. This is basically, this checks everything off for what I wanted. So let's go ahead and hopefully it does work, because like I said, this is what I wanted. Another cool thing it does come is with a suction cup, so you can suction cup this on your windshield. This is what you would want. It does come with some installation tools for your camera, so you can install the camera with, you can just directly install it on the back of your license plate. And it does come with some tools to wire it and all that. I mean, to hang it on there. So let me go ahead and do this, and I'll show you how easy it is to install, guys. You literally will just take out the license plate and put this on top of that. So let me do this and we'll get back to that, okay? All right, guys, so another update. To turn on the camera, there is the on and off button right here. It's kind of tricky. Well, it's actually right here, actually, sorry. It's a little tricky to click this button. What you have to do, what I did, I use this, it's like a SIM extractor tool. This came with the kit. What I did was I just put this in here, and you have to flick it up. So just flick up and it will work that way. So let me show you how it works. And I know you hear the beeping noise from the cars because the door's open you have to power it with your monitor. You power it on with your car's DC voltage thing. So let's go ahead and check it out and see how it looks, and let me show you, then we'll install it on the car. All right, so now that we have it, let's go ahead, and as you can see, I took off my license plate. So let me show you what it looks like. Here's the monitor. Like say, just hook it up to your DC power, click the power button on, and it should have an image. Well, it had one earlier. I don't know if maybe, and you go setup. I don't know what happened, lost signal somehow. Or what happened, maybe it's, oh, there it is. So, there it is on the monitor, as you can see. Let me get out of here. So here's the monitor, it does show you the battery power and the signal. I guess if it's too far away, it won't reach, but as you can see, there it is, guys. So let me go grab the camera. And you can see how it looks. So the quality doesn't look the best, but hey, it's a reverse camera, which reverse camera does, you know? So as you can see, there it is. I'm moving it. And there you go. There you go. As you can see, there's the camera there. So pretty cool. Let me go ahead and actually install it and see how it actually looks. But as you can see, there I am there in the camera. So pretty cool. So let's go ahead and actually install this in the back of the car. Alright guys, so as you can see here, installed. So there is camera installed, very easy. You just literally hook it up to your license plate bolts. So I was happy that, so there it is. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like inside. And I'll show you how to actually turn on the monitor now that I figured it out. So let me sit in here. And let me close the door. That way. So once you have it hooked up, like I said, all you'll have to do now is just push this button right here, and it will search the signal, and there it is. Look at that. So as you can see, there it is, guys. Let me see if well, I'm not trying to open up the garage, but there it is, guys. So as you can see, there's the camera. Pretty cool. It actually looks amazing. I can see everything that I'm looking at. Shows you the signal. So yeah, it's pretty impressive actually. That's what I wanted it for, is a backup camera. Now you can kind of lower it to see how it looks. Like it's right there, it's just straightforward, but if you want to look more down, you can angle that. So I want to angle that, so I'll go ahead and do that and finally set it up and show you exactly how it looks. Alright guys, so here's the camera. So I'll kind of show you, like I said, I haven't mounted it on my windshield yet, but here it is. It actually looks really good. Nighttime is approaching. It'll probably get dark within the next couple of minutes. So far so good. Oop. I gotta find out how to make it stay on more. It's probably somewhere in the settings. I gotta play with it, but there's no lag really whatsoever. Might be a split-second lag, but nothing too bad. So overall, for a backup camera, I think it's definitely worth the $100. Now, like I said, I just got it, so we'll have to see how long it lasts. But overall, it's doing its job, guys. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you. This is what I wanted a backup camera for, and yeah, like I said, it definitely looks good. And as you can see, it's moving. When I move back, it moves back. So overall, I like it quite a bit. So I would say it's definitely worth it. I'll probably make another video on it, seeing how well it does after a couple months. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. I'll have a link in the description below where you can check this camera out. Like I said, I bought this at Walmart for $100, so not bad at all. So thank you.